Welcome, travelers. Today, we're diving into the hidden features of Honkai Star Rail that can enhance your gameplay experience. Get ready to uncover a treasure trove of surprises. Let's explore what hidden features await you in this expansive universe. Hidden quests add depth to your journey. We'll explore how to find them and what unique missions you can unlock. Ever wondered about secret character skills? Let's dive into how you can unlock these powerful abilities. There are many exclusive places waiting to be discovered. We'll guide you through these hidden gems. Let's talk about how to find those rare items that can significantly boost your gameplay. Understanding game mechanics can lead to hidden benefits. Here's how you can leverage them to your advantage. Joining the community can enhance your experience. Let's explore ways to navigate and interact with fellow players effectively. What questions do players commonly have about hidden features? Let's address some FAQs. In conclusion, maximizing your gameplay in Honkai Star Rail requires exploration, curiosity, and community. Happy gaming!